Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2 packs for this vid here. So these are from these packs are from the Lightning pack from Walgreens. Magic place to get the best Pokemon cards. Mantine, Heracross, Eevee, Scyther, Warboat, Mantine, Quill. Is that a rare? Oh, it is. That's horrible. Anyway. Yep. There you go. Go ahead and do the Evolving Skies on this one too. Scraggy, Drowsy. Oh, there's something in here. Paleo, Diagonal, hey! That's pretty freaking nice. Y'all see that? Flareon V. Put that with the hits. I'm not mad at that. And there's your code. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Later, y'all.